And that's the day he learned to fly. The end. Wow. Oh, hey there, everybody. I didn't see you there. I'm reading a book to my nephew, Jared. Jared's a nephew from my late cousin, Kimberly. She has a lot of babies, so that makes him my nephew. Anyways, I was reading him a story. I got a brilliant idea. Why don't I read you a story? I have the perfect story. The Bell of the School. Once upon a time, there was a bell in the school, and all day the bell would go clang, clang, clong, clong, clang, clang, clong, clong. One day, the bell got very sad, very upset, very scared, because it was coming unhinged. Ding dong, ding dong! I'm scared, bell! I'm coming unhinged! Oh! The bell fell to the ground. Fell, until it landed and cracked. And that is how we got the Liberty Bell. Ding. The end. Jared, what did you think of that story? Go, 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 go! He loved it. Wow, so good. Now it's time for Jared to take a nap. See you next time. Ding! With story times on Good Times with Karli Coles in the story. Good time, amen. Jared's a nephew from my late cousin.